What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. This is my 93 Toyota Supra that I got from Dan at Rad Industries. The car is pretty much all stock. The only thing they did was an aftermarket exhaust that I'm gonna be replacing later on. But other than that, the car is all stock. It has the stock wheels. It has a 2JZ GTE. It's automatic. It's the non-BBTI. Let me go ahead and show you guys the interior. So the interior is pretty much all stock. It has about 46,000 miles. Let me show you guys real quick. So it has 46,765. Let me show you guys underneath the hood. Okay, like I said, the car is pretty much stock. Only thing they did was an exhaust, but everything underneath the hood, it's all original. The piping, the turbos, everything's all original. I don't think the battery, even though it's a Toyota battery, I don't think that one's original. But anything other than that, the cars, they try to keep it all original. I'm gonna be replacing a couple of things. I'm gonna get new wheels. I already got a TRD spoiler that I'm gonna be putting on, and maybe later on some side skirts and a front lip, but not anytime soon. Another thing that I'm gonna be doing to the car is I'm a BBTI guy, so I got a 2JZ BBTI. I'm gonna be switching the non-BBTI with the BBTI, and when I put that one on, I'm gonna go with a single turbo, and I'm gonna throw a couple of upgrades so I can make a little bit more power. I'm still gonna keep the automatic transmission. I don't ever plan on going 5-speed or 6-speed. I want to keep the automatic transmission. I want to enjoy the car, and I want my significant other to drive it as well. I don't want her to stress about the clutch. Every time you modify a Supra, you got to put an aggressive clutch, and I don't want her to stress about it. So like I said, only thing I got right now, it's a TRD spoiler that I'm going to be putting later on, and I'm looking for some wheels. I haven't found any that I really like, but I'm working on it right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it real quick because I want to take it to a meet today. Okay, so there it is, all nice and shiny. I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna start heading to the meet. Okay, so this is the meat. It's nothing big, but something small. Okay, so I'm back from the meet. It was just like a little barbecue, nothing big. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger than what it was, but I mean, I had fun driving the car. So this is the TRD spoiler. And honestly, I just opened the box. I haven't even taken the pieces out, but this is the TRD spoiler. I got a carbon fiber centerpiece. I'm not really a fan of carbon fiber, but I think it's gonna look good on this one. I don't want it all red. And let me show you guys the motor. So I got a BBTI motor. This is one of those JDM motors that you buy on those JDM places. So pretty much I'm gonna take it all apart. I'm not gonna rebuild it. I'm gonna open it up. If it looks clean, I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. I'm just gonna change gasket seals, and I'm pretty much gonna paint it, and I'm gonna try to make it look good. I'm pretty much gonna try to make it look like this one right here, but instead of being like this candy paint, it's like candy blue or purple. I don't even know what it is. Instead of using that color, I'm gonna do a red one. This is another one. This is a GE. This one's gonna go for a truck. I'm gonna be installing these two pretty soon. But let me go back to the TRD spoiler. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this right now, and I'm gonna show you guys. It's not painted, so I gotta send it out to my friend so he can spray it for me. And then once I get it back, I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Okay, so I'm gonna take out the pieces. So I paid $700 for this TRD spoiler. I was gonna get an original one, but I found one on eBay and the guy was asking for like $3,000, and honestly I'm not gonna pay $3,000 for a piece of plastic. If this one looks good enough, then I'm okay with that. So let me go ahead and open it. I don't know how good quality wise this one is, but I've seen people that use another one that is like $500, and honestly I think it looks okay. So okay, so this is gonna be one. This is one of those pieces that is gonna bolt onto the side, and this one is gonna be the same thing. So I'm gonna paint those two, and this is the carbon fiber one. This should be the carbon fiber centerpiece. So let's see how this one looks. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna open it all the way because I'm not gonna install it right now, but I mean it looks okay for what it is. And this is the ones that go on the pieces of the side pieces. I guess I gotta drill my own holes. I'm gonna have to drill holes to bolt it on. So it's not that bad for, I mean, I think I did pay too much, but I mean, it's not that bad, honestly. It looks like it's fiberglass with plastic. Actually, it's all fiberglass. I thought it was a plastic one, but this is a fiberglass piece. It's all fiberglass. So I'm assuming these pieces go right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna send these to my friend, and I'm gonna have him spray him. I'm gonna spray him red, same color as the car. And once I get it back, I'm gonna go ahead and install it. So I'm gonna put these away from now, and I'm gonna put these away, and once I get them back, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and install them. I'm gonna put these away now. I gotta have my friend spray it for me, so I won't be able to install it until the next video. But that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and please remember to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be throwing coilovers, wheels, and I'm gonna start working on that BBTI motor. So I'll see you guys next time.